Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. My name is Sharon Holt and today I'm showing you a sentence structure which is about what fruit you like the best. And it can be used for other things that you like the best as well, but we'll do it with fruit and I'll explain a little bit more about that at the end. So what is he aha? Fruit, te huarākau, huarākau. He aha te huarākau, tino pai, which is about being the very best, ki a koe, and that's to you. And this literally means what fruit is very good for you, to you. But in English we say, what fruit do you like the best? Okay, so the answer is really simple. This would be a really good game to do with children, an activity, a learning activity in schools and with children in early childhood when you're talking about the sentence. You could say, he aha te huarākau tino pai ki a koe, and then translate it. What fruit do you like the best? And then hold up some examples. Perhaps you could say, he panana, bananas. And they could say I or Kyle for yes or no. So if you are asking them and they do know the answer, if they want to say bananas, he panana. So that's the simplest answer. He panana. I've got some wooden examples here. He aparo, apples. He karepe, grapes. He rōpere, strawberries. He paramu, plums. He pear, pears. And for other fruits that you don't know the words for, you can just look it up in a picture dictionary or on Māori dictionary online or any other kind of dictionaries that you have. So that sentence structure is really easy to use, as you can see. Just perhaps a little bit of a mouthful to start with, but just try and remember he aha, what? Te huarākau, fruit. Tino pai, the best. Ki a koe, what fruit do you like the best? So just before we finish, if you want to extend on that, this can change. So it might be he aha te kararehe, what animal do you like the best? So then it might be something like he kau, cows. He ngeru, cats. And at the zoo it might be what animal do you like the best? And then it could be he taika, tigers. He raiona, lions. He kangaroo, kangaroos. So whichever of those sentence structures you like to change it to, that will still be the same with the answer. Hopefully that will really help you, give you a boost and help you with using more Māori language in sentences, just expanding a little bit about what you're using for yourself and with children. Ka kite!